Okay everyone, we're going to do an activity now where we try and mix as many unique different skin colors as we can using our paint. So what you're going to have at your table are a couple things. First, you have a tray, and on this tray you have your paint brushes, your water cups, your rags to clean your paint brushes, and you have your paint tray. Now I've only given you a few colors today. I've given you black and white, brown, and peach. So using these 4 colors in different combinations and different formulas, we're going to try and see how many different types of unique skin colors we can mix. So in your baskets today you have this worksheet, and this will help to show you which colors mix together to make what new colors. So brown and white are going to make a peachy color. Brown and peach are going to make a dark peach color, and brown and black are going to make a dark brown color. So there's many different shades of skin colors. I want to see how many different types of colors you can create using your paint. So you have this worksheet at your table. It says the colors of us. I want to see how many different colors you can mix. So there are a few boxes on your worksheet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So your goal is to try and fill up at least 3 of these worksheets or more. More would be great. So on top, you're going to start by writing your name on at least 3 of these worksheets. And then you're going to start some painting. So at your table, you have a mixing palette. This is where we're going to scoop some paint using our brush onto our palette and mix up some new colors. So I think I'm going to start by trying to make a peachy color by mixing brown and white together. So I'll take my mixing palette and my brush and scoop a little bit of brown onto my palette, just a little bit. Now I can take my brush and wash it off in my water cup and get all that brown off. Wipe on my rag so that I don't have any more brown color. And once it's nice and clean, then I can dip it in my white. So I'm going to dip in my white color and put a little dot next to the brown. So I want the dots to be kind of the same size, brown and white, little dots together. And now I'm going to mix this up. So now when I mix brown and white together, I'm making kind of a nice medium peachy color. So it's not too dark like brown, it's not too light like white, it's kind of in the middle. So now I'll use this peachy color, this big pile, take my worksheet and fill in one whole box with that peachy color. So now so far I have created 1 unique skin color. I need to paint my box all the way, no white spaces. And then I'm ready for the next box. I can keep using my paint palette because I have more room. So what I can do next is try and make a dark peachy color. So that's brown plus peach. So I'll wash my brush off, dip in my brown, put a little pile of brown, wash my brush again, clean it off, then dip in the peachy color. Mix those 2 together and see what it creates. It creates a nice darker peachy color, kind of a little bit darker than that one. So again, another unique skin color. So I can use this to paint my next box. All the way just like the first box. So eventually we're going to use these little papers that we're painting and then cut them out to create a poster next time. So we want a lot of different colors on our paper, as many as we can mix. So as soon as I finished, I'm going to wash my brush off and then try and make a new color. So again, I'm going to try and make maybe a darker brown skin color, or maybe something in between, maybe something really light or something in between dark brown and dark tan. So if my paint palette gets a little bit too filled up, what I can do is take a wet rag and just wipe this off, and then I have more space to work with, new fresh mixing palette. Okay? So try and fill as many squares as you can.